If you normally draw your starfish like this, I'm going to teach you how to get them to the next level. Pick out the color that you want your starfish to be, and then draw regular stars like this, but make them round around the edges, and then fill them in. And then off of each point, you're going to extend the arms. Make them longer while keeping the tips round. You want to try to keep the arms the same length on each starfish. Using a gray color going underneath each of them, make a shadow. And make sure all the shadows are coming from the same direction to make them look more realistic. Add more of a shadow or less depending on what look you're going for. Then using a thin pen, go around each of the arms with a tiny scalloped line. Now using a white pen, add 5 dots on the top. I want them to be in line with the point of the arm. Then outline the inner edge of all the arms with white dots. Then connect each dot to the ends of the arms with white dots. And using the same technique, connect the dots on top together to form a pentagon. And let the white dots dry and then go over them with a lighter version of the color of each starfish. And you can add another layer of white dots on top. By doing that, it'll make the spines really pop out. You can leave it like that or you can add some scenery.